Under the relentless sun, a gaunt old beggar sits forlornly by the roadside, ignored by the hurried footsteps of passers-by. Young Muhammad Hussein, walking with his mother, pauses, his youthful heart touched by the sight of the beggar. Muhammad Hussein pleads, "Ami, this Baba looks very hungry." With a sad nod from his mother, Muhammad Hussein hesitates, then extends his lunchbox towards the beggar. The beggar accepts the humble gift, his eyes shining with gratitude. The beggar's voice cracks with emotion. "Beta, you have not only given me food today, but also hope. May Allah always keep you happy." Beneath the sprawling tree, the beggar slumbers restlessly, moonlight painting shadows across his weary face. In his dream, a clean-shaven man sits in a cozy room, his face glowing with peace as he loses himself in a book. Young Muhammad Hussein appears, his smile radiant and hopeful, offering a beacon of possibility. "Baba, your days can change, just believe." Days later, a transformed beggar strides purposefully along the street, his demeanor radiating newfound hope. A familiar face emerges from the crowd, and recognition sparks in the beggar's eyes. Overwhelmed with gratitude, the beggar rushes towards Muhammad, embracing him tightly. "Beta, the day you gave me bread was the beginning of my destiny. You are not just a child, you are an angel." Muhammad smiles, sensing the profound impact of his simple act of kindness. In that embrace, destiny and kindness intertwine, forever altering the course of two lives.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.